Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. Step onto the court with confidence with the Wilson Hyper Hammer, a favorite among beginner tennis players for over 25 years. Designed with new players in mind, this best-selling racket combines lightweight construction, balanced feel, and an oversized head to make learning the game easier, more comfortable, and a lot more fun. Weighing just 8.96 ounces, the Hyper Hammer allows for effortless swinging, reducing fatigue during long practice sessions and minimizing strain on shoulders and elbows. The 110 square inch oversized head provides a generous sweet spot, giving beginners extra forgiveness on off-center hits and helping them land more consistent serves and returns. Its balanced design ensures stability, making it easier to control shots while building confidence in every swing. Creating spin and exploring different shot shapes is nearly effortless, so newcomers can progress quickly without feeling limited by their equipment. At 27.5 inches in length, this racket offers excellent reach while maintaining easy maneuverability. What makes the latest Hyper Hammer especially appealing is its value. It offers the feel and performance of a mid-range racket while maintaining a beginner-friendly price, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious players ready to dive into tennis. Whether you're hitting the court for fun, practice, or your first matches, the Wilson Hyper Hammer is engineered to help you enjoy the game from the very first swing. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, available. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Step onto the court with confidence with the Babolat Boost S, a racket designed to give beginners an extra boost in every part of their game. Loved by players at every level, including numerous professionals, Babolat combines quality, performance, and comfort, making it a reliable choice for newcomers and those looking to upgrade from entry-level rackets. The Boost S features a 10-ounce construction that strikes the perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and enough mass to generate powerful shots. Effortless swings allow for long, comfortable practice sessions without putting stress on your shoulders or elbows, while the controlled feel gives you precision for volleys, ground strokes, and serves alike. Its 102 square inch head offers a generous sweet spot for off-center hits, making it easier to land consistent shots and build confidence on the court. Beyond performance, the Boost S is also highly approachable for beginners thanks to its affordability. It delivers features that matter most: power, control, and comfort without unnecessary extras, making it a smart investment for players looking to improve their game quickly. Its 27-inch length and balanced design provide excellent reach and stability, helping you feel comfortable with every swing. Whether you're just starting out, practicing with friends, or taking your first steps in competitive play, the Babolat Boost S is built to help you develop your skills with ease. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, available. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. The Babolat Clash 108 V2 is designed for beginners who want to invest in a high-quality racket that delivers comfort, control, and responsive power. While it comes with a higher price tag, this racket is built to last for years of regular play, making it a smart choice for players serious about improving their game. One of the standout features of the Clash 108 V2 is its comfort. Engineered to reduce strain on the arm, shoulder, and elbow, it allows for long practice sessions without fatigue or discomfort. The enlarged 108 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, increasing forgiveness on off-center hits and helping beginners land more consistent shots. This makes it easier to focus on developing skills and mastering different strokes. Despite its beginner-friendly design, the Clash 108 V2 doesn't compromise on performance. Its lightweight 10.48-ounce construction strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and stability, giving players responsive power and control for precise shot placement. Whether practicing ground strokes, volleys, or serves, this racket allows beginners to gain confidence while refining every aspect of their game. At 27.25 inches in length, the Clash 108 V2 offers excellent reach and a well-balanced feel, making it comfortable for players of all sizes. For those willing to invest in a racket that grows with their skills, the Babolat Clash 108 V2 is a top-tier choice for serious beginners who want the best in comfort, control, and durability. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, available. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Prince Geo Speed is a reliable, value-packed option for beginners and recreational players seeking a racket that delivers performance without breaking the bank. Designed by one of tennis's most trusted brands, this racket combines a large hitting surface with strong, durable construction, making it an ideal choice for players just starting out or for casual weekend play. With a 27.5-inch length, the Geo Speed provides extra reach, which is particularly helpful for smaller players or those with shorter swings. The generous 105 square inch head offers a large sweet spot, making off-center hits more forgiving and helping beginners land more consistent shots. Its lightweight 10.4-ounce design allows for effortless swings, reducing fatigue and making long practice sessions more enjoyable. While it's not a pro-level racket, the Geo Speed delivers exactly what new players need: comfort, control, and reliability. Its durable frame ensures it can withstand regular use, and the well-balanced design helps players build confidence in their strokes. Whether you're learning serves, volleys, or ground strokes, this racket makes every shot easier to execute and helps beginners develop proper technique from the start. The Prince Geo Speed is also an excellent choice for players adding a secondary or recreational racket to their collection. It's a perfect blend of affordability and functionality, making it accessible for anyone who wants to enjoy tennis without compromising on quality. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, available. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. Experience the performance of a champion with the Head T.S6 tennis racket, a beginner-friendly option infused with technology trusted by top players like Novak Djokovic. While it comes at an affordable price point, this oversized racket brings some of the same engineering and quality found in Head's pro-level models, making it an excellent value for newcomers to the sport. The T.S6 features a 115 square inch oversized head, providing a generous sweet spot that makes off-center hits more forgiving and easier to control. Beginners will appreciate how much confidence this adds to serves, volleys, and ground strokes, helping you develop your skills more quickly. Despite its large head, the racket remains lightweight at just 8 ounces, unstrung, allowing for effortless swings that reduce strain on the arm, shoulder, and elbow. Its 27.75-inch length provides extra reach, ideal for players who are still mastering proper technique or for those looking to extend their court coverage. Durable and well-constructed, the Head T.S6 can withstand regular play while remaining highly maneuverable. Its pared-down design focuses on performance essentials, giving beginners everything they need without unnecessary extras. For players who want to enjoy the game, improve their skills, and still keep costs low, this racket is an excellent starting point. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, available.